Hello everyone, my name is Alex. You are on the Lviv Masters channel. Glory to Ukraine, glory to heroes, glory to the nation, and death to the enemies. Stop stop the Russian war against Ukraine and Ukraine nation. Stop this aggression, everyone, everywhere, and every method that you are available. So, today I want to tell you about the flat which was rebuilt by the Golden Age company, my good friends. The customer, the owner of this flat, wants to rebuild his heating system, which was installed by the building company, and he is a clever man, and he wants to install the remote control of this heating system. Of course, we can do this. The guys install the Wi-Fi thermostat. The customer can control his floor heating, liquid floor heating or acoustic systems on the floor, because the water and water pump makes a little bit noise, but the floor mixing heating unit module is situated in the water closet, and that's why it's very silent. And in the bedroom, yeah, and the balcony, we have heating radiators, and all the system is controlled by the Wi-Fi thermostats, and the customer use his cell phone to control this all things and features. So now I will show you how it looks on the building process before painting and other jobs which guys had to do. So let's go. So this is the flat, and this is the water counter and water pressure reducer. The pressure before reducer is more than 9 bars. So we installed the pressure reducer, and now the pressure is about 3 bars. So let's look how it looked. And we have nice apartments. After repairing works, it will be everything nice, clean and shiny. The building company installed here the gas boiler, and we have to control it. Also, the building company was installed the heating radiators on these walls, but the pipes and connections were direct from the floor, and the customer, the owner of this flat, said, "Guys, can you rebuild these pipes to make them come out from the wall?" The guy said, "Yeah, okay, we can do this." And the guys did like this. The pipes come out from the wall. And we have 4 radiators in this flat and 3 zones of floor heating, water floor heating. To control this radiator, the guys installed thermostatic valve and electric driver, and all the system. Just a minute. One radiator. The second, it's a bedroom. Over there we have the third, and on the balcony, just like after that wall, we have the fourth, and everything is controlled by this Frankenstein brain, my favorite, and the room thermostat. This thermostat controls the floor in the bath. That one, I'm very sorry that the image is so bad. This thermostat controls the floor temperature in the corridor and the third in the kitchen. Every thermostat has the temperature sensor, which is situated in the floor and regulates it very, very precisely. The thermostats that can read the air temperature in the room have the air sensor. After preparing works, this sensor will be under the frame, and it will be very, very nice, not like this. The floor heating module. I'll try to find a picture how it looked in the beginning, that the building company made it. Frankly speaking, not very good and very well. The building company installed only collectors, only thermostatic valve, no circulating pump, and no drivers to the valves. We have, it's written in Ukrainian here, bath, kitchen, corridor. This is the right and how it should be made floor heating unit. In Ukraine are used pipes 16 millimeters in diameter, or 17 if it is confirmed, or 18, doesn't matter. Mostly 16 millimeters. And this will be worked very, very correctly. Regulating module of temperature of liquid in the circuit. We have limit 45 or 50 degrees, not more. And safety circuit for the gas boiler if all drivers are closed. Everything works very good and very proper. Thanks to this equipment, these thermostats, this brain, correctly made floor heating unit, we have the comfort, we have the gas and the money economy on the bills for the gas, and comfort. Comfort, comfort, and comfort. So, how it works? Very simply. This is Wi-Fi thermostat, and the customer use only the cell phone application, and it has manual mode. Unlocking this and setting the temperature. Too much, but it's enough. Thermostat has a heating request to the brain. Brain says to this heating module that you should turn on the pump, you should turn on the valve driver, and you should turn on the heating boiler. I don't know, will you see it, but these three lamps on the pump are yellow light now. Oh yeah, it's see. And the gas boiler, the burner is already burning, and the temperature is increasing. When the floor is heated enough, or room, this equipment, this thermostat, sees it, and everything is done automatically. Now I will switch it off by manually. proceed. On right now. Request of heating is off. Burner of gas boiler is off. Circulating pump is off too. And all heating system now is on the standby mode. Every heating zone is independent by its temperature, and it's very comfortable, as I said. So the guys from the golden age made it very well. All repair works in time will be finished too, and I think the customer will be satisfied. So don't forget to subscribe, support Ukraine. Glory to Ukraine.